Here are some of the latest world news headlines, April 29, 2026. Globe showing Europe-Africa global politics and conflicts. Ongoing tensions between Russia and Ukraine continue, with new diplomatic talks expected but no clear breakthrough yet. The United Nations has raised concerns over rising humanitarian crises in multiple regions, especially conflict zones in Africa and the Middle East. Globe with Meridian's economy and business. Global markets remain unstable as inflation concerns persist in major economies like the United States and China. Cryptocurrency markets are seeing mixed reactions after recent updates from major exchanges like Binance. Sun behind rain cloud environment and climate. Extreme weather events, including heat waves in India and floods in parts of Brazil, are raising global climate concerns. Scientists are urging faster action to combat climate change as global temperatures continue to rise. Brain technology. AI development continues to accelerate, with companies like OpenAI and Google releasing new tools and updates. Governments worldwide are discussing regulations for artificial intelligence and data privacy. Soccer ball sports. Preparations for upcoming international tournaments are underway, with teams training intensively ahead of major events like the FIFA World Cup qualifiers. If you want, I can give you detailed news about Pakistan, crypto, like Binance, or any specific topic.